In this video, I will show you how to fix the Pokémon GO, make a new friend not working issue. If you're having trouble completing the quest, make sure to watch this video until the very end for a solution. So first of all, open up the Pokémon GO mobile application and then tap on this Pokeball icon at the bottom center of the screen. And then when you are on this page, tap on this gear icon at the top right of the screen to go to your settings. And then when you are on the settings screen, tap on this question mark at the top right corner of the screen to open up the help page. After that, tap on this icon at the top right of the screen to start a live chat with customer support. Then explain your problem to the customer service representative, and they will investigate and resolve it for you. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more easy tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.